increasingly urban society. Many cities are being developed by the rivers and seasides. Emissions that are composed of greenhouse gases that trap solar radiation and slowly warm our planet. Even slight increase in average global temperature can have huge impact in the environment. Perhaps the biggest, most obvious effects are that glacier and ice caps melts faster than usual. This phenomenon also leads to ocean temperature to rise. The meltwater drain to ocean, causing sea levels to rise. Rising sea and river levels causes water to overflow to the developed housing areas. Heavy rains will also cause the situation worsen. River will raise, so does the sea. When sea level rises rapidly as they have been, even a small increase can cause devastating effect on coastal and inland habitats. When heavy rains occurs, water will overflow and flood developed area. The water from sea will push back river water few kilometers inland, thus preventing river water from flowing out to the sea due to backwater effect. Several conventional flood mitigation methods are done to prevent floods, such as river deepening, widening and river straightening. Levees. Weirs. Storm water storage ponds and diversion tunnels. The main problem: all of these structures are located on the ground, and depended on invert levels to discharge effectively to river or sea. When flood occurs due to prolonged heavy rainfall and storm surge at sea, water from the sea will push back the river water, thus preventing excess flood water from flowing out to the sea. This will cause high backwater effect, causing flood water to overtop river embankments and flood the surroundings. This will be worsened when flood water reaches low-lying areas. To solve the flood due to storm surge at sea and prolonged rainfall, we would like to propose our third-generation flood prevention system using aqueduct and aqua arteries. This system channels the excess flood water from river, mountain and low-lying areas directly to the sea using elevated structure. Therefore, our proposed third-generation flood mitigation system will work for both higher and lower ground level areas. For development located on low-lying areas, water will flow from roadside drain down to aqua arteries. Aqua arteries are excess flood water diversion culverts installed at low-lying areas. The excess flood water in the aqua arteries will be channeled to regulation or storage ponds, and then pumped onto aqueducts, and flows out directly to the sea. Our third-generation aqueduct with combination of aqua arteries system which discharge excess flood water above highest astronomical tide level at sea. This approach will assist to rapidly reduces flood water. This method is more efficient and effective to prevent flood from happening. This method also will contribute in reducing the potential loss of lives, economy and property damages. Hence, the people and business affected by flood, likely to experience no or less damages, and will be able to recover to pre-flood conditions within short period of time. In addition, the aqueducts can be used as a highway, as well as recreational attraction for daily use. As you can see, aqueduct is a structure which benefits not only during heavy rains but also on daily occasion.